Looking for a simple dessert that won't affect your blood sugar levels? You just need three ingredients for this amazing, delicious, diabetic dessert. Three ingredients is all you need. Grab that Cool Whip. Remember to look at the label to make sure you keep that sugar as low as possible. You can also use True Whip. I have sugar-free Jello, strawberry flavor, and a cup of strawberries. Get you a bowl, spatula, knife, and cutting board. We're going to take that cup of strawberries and we're going to start. I don't want to use the word cube, but maybe slice them into smaller pieces. You can absolutely use any other berry. That's raspberries, blackberries, blueberries. Please do. A cup of strawberries is about 46 calories, 11 grams of carbs, but don't panic, y'all. 3 grams of fiber, giving this 8 net carbs per cup. And I recommend to my clients and patients in clinic to have a half a cup. And if you don't know, I'm Shelly. Hey, I'm a dietitian, Dietitian Shelly. I work in the day as a dietitian in a private practice, working with folks to lower their blood sugars, weight loss, hormone balance. At night, I make really fun and simple recipes to share with you all, and this is one of them. It's super easy and it's super delicious. Go ahead and put those sliced strawberries in your bowl. We're going to go ahead and add that Jello. You could see that I am using great value, which is from the Walmart. You know, I love shopping at Walmart, Aldi, Kroger. I love to shop at discount stores. I love to use coupons. And you even see on a little apron something that says Skinny Louisiana. What is that? Well, it's two cookbooks I authored. They're super fun. I am from Louisiana. Love to use Louisiana products in cooking. If that's you, you want to check out those cookbooks. And hey, if you're looking to lower your blood sugars, you might want to subscribe to this channel. If you notice, I'm using about half the package of that Jello. It's about 1 to 2 tablespoons. You can use the whole package. Me personally, I am not an overtly sweet person. I don't need these crazy sugar-rich desserts. But if you are a sweet person, I'm actually a little bit more of a salty person, go ahead and use the whole package. We're going to stir so we can coat the strawberries with that gelatin, and we're going to go ahead and add that whipped topping. Some of you all may be wondering, why am I not using sugar-free? Well, guess what? A lot of times it's the same amount of sugar that's in the sugar-free compared to the regular. So it's very, very important to look at those labels. Now, I'm a 4-H girl as well. If you are, let me know in the comments. You see what I'm doing there. I put half the Cool Whip, give it a little stir, and then I put the other half of the Cool Whip. This is a little trick that I learned from a long time ago. I never let it go. Go ahead and share any kind of fun tip that you have. Maybe that you learned in 4-H, or maybe that you learned dealing with Cool Whip, Jello, or strawberries. This is it. You just stir it. It's fluffy. It's cool. It's perfect for the summer, or heck, perfect for any time. It's a great after dinner dessert that will not spike your blood sugar levels. If you forgot the ingredients already, go ahead and scroll in the description box. And hey, while you're down there, get my 7-day menu. That will help to lower your blood sugars and the side effect, give you a little weight loss. I'm Dietitian Shelly, y'all. Be sure to like and subscribe. Love y'all bunches.